this morning with this feeling inside me that I can't explain, like a weight that I've carried, been carried away. But I know something is coming. I don't know what it is, but I know it's amazing. You save me, my time is coming. I'll find my way out of this longest round. And it feels like today, I know. It feels like today, I'm sure. It's the one thing that's missing, the one thing I'm wishing, the last sacred blessing in pain. Feels like today, feels like today. You treat life like a picture, but it's not a moment that's frozen in time. It's not gonna wait till you make up your mind at all. So while this storm is breaking, while there's a light at the end of the tunnel, you keep running towards it, releasing the pressure that's in your heartache. Soon this dam will break, and it feels like today, I know. It feels like today, I'm sure. It's the one thing that's missing, the one thing you're wishing, the last sacred blessing in pain. It feels like today, feels like today. Feels like your life, feels like today.